Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of the positive vibration, yeah. Today, the drop-off fairy has blessed us with all the things that make you like to move it. And that, my friends, is the vibe. Yes, they had to misspell it. It wasn't my choice, not me, them. But the Vibe Deep Muscle Activator is here. And you should stop. I don't know why. Do not return to store. Do not return to store. It has variable speeds, an easy and off and trigger, and variable angles. And also a 1.5 AH battery. So now you know those things. And those things are facts, according to this piece of cardboard that I have read out loud to you. So, my spouse, my lovely, lovely cuteness, was having a trauma in her wristicles, in her forearm, and I decided that the cheap vibrate gun that we had, vibro gunabrator, whatever you want to call it, muscle relaxing tissue device, because I don't want it to get confused with the algorithm, if you know what I'm saying, with the other kind of content, was not satisfactory. This thing was basically the power of one of those other things, and it was not therapeutic. So she wanted to do the thing where, oh, let's not spend any money. And I was like, but your hand hurts, my darling. And she was like, but I would like not to spend any money. And I was like, but your hand hurts, my darling. And finally I was like, I'm going to get this thing because it's going away and it's very cheap and very powerful. And if it's too powerful, well, we'll just turn it down a bit. And maybe put a pillow in the middle or something. I don't know. But I heard tales. That this was the one vibe to rule them all. And in the darkness, grind them. Your pains away. And here in the packaging, what do we have? We have a very simple matte box. It's not... This has been commensurate with your AMSR moment of the day. Because I have a feeling we're going to go far, far away from that if tales are true. And if they're not, then I'm going to be disappointed, and that would suck. I don't like being disappointed. I don't think anyone does. So, I'm going to see if I can hack into the... Whoa, wait, what do we have on the box here? Ooh, English. It says 60 watts, 12 volts, frequency 50 60 hertz, no load speed up to 2400 RPM. Ooh. Capacity, battery, who cares? Weight, who cares? Not big enough to crush me. So, how do I get into this thing? Let's just see. Okay, we have a little nipple here to... Oh, these things are so ticky-tacky when you have big fingers. This is not big finger work, people. I should get paid extra for this, but no one pays me except me, and I don't pay me, and that's not paying, so there we go. No gratitude. I suffer so much. You don't know. The paper cuts. Oh. Not really. Ooh, it comes with a case. That means you can carry it around. Nobody cares about that part. So, what have we? Did you bring the money? Did you bring the stuff? Did you bring the money? Did you bring the stuff? I think I brought the stuff. You like what you see? Huh? Worth it? There's more where this came from. Ooh, look at all the little things. We have a battery. We have a charger de battery. We have a second battery. I believe my point has been made. And it's very slick. It's very hard to hold on to. And then we have a big ball and the device itself. Of course, we have a single piece of paper that tells you very little, and whatever that is. So basically the same stuff I already said to you. Important safety instructions. Turn it on, turn it off. Don't throw it in the water. Okay. Troll snacks, troll snacks. Distance, mother. I'm an Olympic troll snack flinger. You just don't know. Olympic level. You got to get to my level with the troll snack flinging. So, very simple system. There's a button here. It says press. So you can press it. And then you can notch it. And secondarily notch it. And triple notch it. There are 3 notch positions. It's a gun. It has a hole for the battery. If I take the battery and I load the gun, I will pull. Okay. And now we're yelling to be heard. This thing is angry. I'm a little scared. Does it have, oh yeah, it's supposed to have, whoa. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let's see if we, okay, so it's on 6. Let's see what 1 looks like. Okay, it's a little more calm now. A little relax. But can you see this? I am a wiggling and a jiggle. Look, no jiggle, all the jiggle. Commence the jiggling. Jiggle Billy says, I'm doing the right thing. I have commenced the jiggling. Oh my goodness. This is something else. I don't know if I'm in the middle here, but that is a jiggle fest. That is jigglation. Like, I'm not a soft person. Now I'm flexing, and it's still jiggling. Wow. That is ridiculous. So apparently, that's just 1. I am a robot. I know robot languages. I sound like I'm talking to a can. I did, yeah, I did it. Okay. Go on this minute. Move it outside. Okay, let's see what. Let's get scared here. So we 3. Do y'all remember that football game when you were a kid? And the football players were supposed to do shit, but they would just go everywhere in every direction because the whole table. I just reinvented that game with this thing. This is some whose toy is this? This thing is violent. Is this legal? Well, I'm in Serbia, so probably, but still, this thing is probably illegal somewhere. One of the states, you probably can't order this. This is on 3. 3. Are you kidding me? For science, we're going to turn this up. 4.5. Okay, at 4.5, you don't want to press anymore. You just like float it in the direction of your stuff. Just like this. Just. Okay, let's see what 6 does. There's nowhere else to go but up. Because, man, well, I'm gonna be purple tomorrow. Watch this. That's just angry. You probably can't even hear me, but that's just angry. I want you to see this. That's just ridiculous. Okay, this thing was $55, I think. $50, 55, I don't know, one of those two. And in the words of Flossie Carter, on a scale of 1 to 10, this thing is a major go. Major, grandiose, bigger than life. Go get that thing before they run out of them. Buy 3. This thing is nuts. If you are cramped, you will not be when you're done. Okay, I don't care how built you are. I used to power lift, do all that other stuff. I am a thick, massive person. And this thing is violating. This is violations. It's violations. If you need violations, and you've tried all them little Chinese things with the tube and the lean and it's just, it's like it's motorboating on your muscles, and nothing's happening, and your tendons are, and you've got the TIT band is just locked up in your psoas and your iliacs. If you don't know what I'm saying, then you don't need this. But if you know the muscles because they hurt so much, if you know what the tendons are, the things that are locking up, then go get this. This is a thing. And if they make a step-up version, get that. Because I don't know, you might be able to fix your car with it or something, pound out dents. I have no idea. But yo, I don't need to say nothing else. This video's over. This thing, I'm gonna go hurt myself. Go on. Vibrate yourself. Bye.